Hey guys, welcome back to my channel again, and if you're a first timer here in this channel, I encourage you to click the subscribe button down below, and after subscribing, click also the bell button for you to be notified every time that I upload videos here in this channel. So today, this video is a collaboration video together with the ever famous Sis Tresee. Yes, I will put her links down below. This collaboration video is entitled 100 Layers of Blush. Natatawa ako. Sabi ko kay Sis Tresee, nakikita ko na yung hyperglycemia niya kapag i-film niya yung video. Kasi alam niyo yun guys, lahat sa kanya masaya. So, head on to her channel kung gusto nyong maaliw sa pang-araw-araw na buhay nyo. So, yun guys, itetest muna natin kung hanggang saan ba ang kaya ng skin. Oh my gosh, magkaka-breakout ata ako sa idea ko na to. So, nakita nyo naman na guys, diba, madaming mga 100 layers of something dito sa YouTube. So, we decided to go on 100 layers of blush. So, let's start with the subtle, color. This is the Lancome Blush Saddle in Rose Pressed. Let's start na. 100 layers. So, 1. Oh, tingnan mo. Ang ganda talaga ng color nito. 1. Next is the Lancome na included sa October favorites ko. This ay Lancome Clinique Sheer Powder Blusher. Wala nang tak. And then, the one that I am using right now, dito sa pinangpupuntor ko talaga kasi very dark. This is the Evening Affair from Lancome as well. Ayan. Kita nyo, favorite ko talaga siya eh. Oh my gosh! Magiging mukhang clown talaga ako. And of course, I have a care line here. Ayan, tingnan nyo kung gano'n ko siya ka-favorite guys. Wala nang mga laman. Ito, wala na ding laman yan. Ito, gamitin natin. Isang brush na lang gagamitin ko. Para this is the MAC na brush. I don't know kung anong brush. Ito basta yung MAC. Kailan ako? 1, 2, 3, 4. So, this is the 4. So, this is already the 10 layers of blush. Grabe! Tingnan natin kung saan tayo dadalhin ng blush na ito. Then, naalala ako sa ganitong brush kasi nung college kami, hindi ka kayo marunong mag-makeup. Tapos yung girlfriend ng isang friend namin, ganito siya mag-blush. Yung parang sinapak daw ni Pacquiao, sabi niya. So, this is already the 15 layers. So, bilis-bilisan natin ang pagkilos. Guys, 25 layers na. More on ginagamit ko na tong care line ko na para maubos na rin. So, 25. 26. 27. Kapagod. 50 layers na guys. Para na akong may butterfly rush. Kapag dito sa may camera, hindi masyadong nagpe-pay off yung color niya. Pero in real life, grabe. Orange na pink. Whew. Parang may lupus. O yung parang na-sunburn. Grabe, 50 layers. Way to go, 50 na lang. Mabilis pala to. Or mabilis lang akong kumilos. Ayan. 51, 52, 53. I'm using the Lancome. 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, gosh, 50. Hanggang dito na yung blush ko. Try natin yung binigay ni Sister sa akin nun. Nung shop namin, binigay niya to sa akin. So, let's use this pink one. No, the pink, yeah. Tresee, ba't ka ba umuo dito? Oh my gosh. This is a 70 layers of 70 layers of butterfly rush. Grabe. Tingnan nyo guys, pati tinga ko nilalagyan ko na sa pagmamadali ko. Tapos hanggang dito yung blush ko. So guys, 90 na yan. 90 layers. Pack. Aura ganar. Ang red talaga. Yeah, 90. So, yung last 10 natin, medyo ayusin ko na. 95. Oh, come on. The breakout is coming. Feeling ko may pimple na ako bukas. 96. 97. 98. 99 and 100. Ha! So guys, this is the 100 layers of blush. So ayan na guys, yan na, kahit ano na dyan. Basta nag-enjoy kayong manood. So, if you have a Facebook and Instagram, which is I know you have, you should follow me in my Instagram with the name JoyofMIa and like my fan page JoyofMIa because I do a lot of updates there. Sa Instagram ko, may mga reviews din ako ng mga products. And don't forget to watch also my vlogs in this coming November na. Today is already November and mag-start na ang ating holiday series. So, watch out guys sa mga darating na mga videos natin. I hope you will enjoy staying here in this channel as I enjoy making content for you guys. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye! Sis Tresee!